Hi everybody, welcome back to the Type Studio YouTube channel. I'm gonna show you a quick little tip that might help you learn a new language. Yeah, it's a bit of a far statement, but I think if done correctly, it could be very helpful and useful for those of you who are trying to learn a new language. Now, what I'm talking about is using our product Type Studio to translate any video you'd like into another language. Our program actually allows us to drag and drop a YouTube video into it and it'll upload into it, and then you can translate it. So all of those videos that you know by heart, you can now learn in another language. I was just like trying to come up with ideas for videos this week, and right now I am now living in a new country where I have to learn the new language, and I was thinking, what would help me? And the conclusion I came to was that maybe we can use our program to just translate all those videos that you already know every word to. I mean, for myself, I grew up on YouTube, so like there's definitely so many videos that I know word for word what they say. Now, to explain this a little bit further, I feel like I should show you how it works so that you can see how everything goes, and then you can take it on your own and tell me how it goes for you. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Google and we're gonna go to our website, Type Studio, and you go to the top one right there. Welcome to our website. Go up to the top right and sign up for a free account. Once that is done, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start a new project, and then I'm going to go over and find this video that I know word for word, the old days of Julian Smith. I'm gonna grab this video, and then I'm actually gonna upload it into the program and let it transcribe what they say throughout the video so that I can take that and then have it translated. All right, here we go. Now in the editor itself, it has the transcription of the whole video on the left-hand side, and then the preview of the video preview on the right. Now, I did choose a very bad episode or a bad YouTube video, I'm realizing right now, to do this because they don't say English words, they say milk instead of milk. So as you can see, it's changing everything to milk and malk and whatever it can. That was my bad. I'm gonna take the L on that one. But either way, this gives you an idea. It shows you that like you can put any YouTube video into this program, and you can even go through and change all the milks to Malk if you want, and change it. All I did was hit enter on the keyboard and it brings you into it, and then you can switch it on there, and then that actually comes up. If you turn on the subtitles, it comes up in the subtitles as well. But now for the fun part that like my big brain came up with, let's go to translation, translate to Spanish. We'll do that, sure, why not? And hit translate, and then there you go. The whole thing is now in Spanish, translated from the dialogue that it transcribed from the video. Dude, that's so freaking cool. And now, since I know this video from like the back of my hand, I can go through and learn the different phrases. I don't know. I was kind of excited to make this video. I thought about this idea and I thought it was really good. So that's kind of it. That's kind of where I'm at with this. If you want to export it with, you can turn subtitles on.
No, you're saying it wrong. You're saying "malk."
And it has the subtitles down there in Spanish, which you can also use for other utilities if you ever need to translate a video of your own. But I just thought this was a really interesting approach to maybe helping people learn a language. Because right now, I need to learn German. Well, maybe I'll just translate this to German. We'll remove the translation, and then we'll translate it to German. Hey Donovan, hast du was zu trinken? Wow, this is gonna be interesting. Wow. All right, that's kind of it. I hope this helped maybe a little bit. It's a fun little thing to throw YouTube videos into. Subscribe, please. We thank you for subscribing. We appreciate it. Check us out on our social medias. This Type Studio is getting a bunch of different features all the time, so we wouldn't want you to miss out on them, and we post about them on there all the time. But that's basically it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you go learn a new language, because I for sure am gonna learn how to speak German thanks to Julian Smith videos, because I know all of them. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video.